Morning, boys. What hike are we doing again? We're doing Mount Edith. It's not that cold, but there's fucking mosquitoes everywhere. We're just getting the dogs ready. The road in is closed, so we gotta hike a little bit extra, but get moving and we'll see the sunrise. So what's that now? We've seen two sketchy looking shits, possibly bear some heavy tracks, but now we're just being hyper vigilant and looking around left and right, hoping for the best. Really putting in the work this morning. What are we, about half an hour up? Oh, let's keep working. We just stopped to give the fellas a little drink. It's pretty steep. Still tons of mozzies. Had a quick fly of the drone and get out there. Crashed it straight into a bush straight away, so that was pretty fun. We still got a bit to go before we reach the summit. Oh, I'm heavy breathing. About another, what do you reckon, 2Ks to go. We're both feeling pretty beat, so we're just taking a little breather. It's probably one of the hardest, not hardest hikes, but hardest I've had to push myself. Just a steady incline for so long and a bit of a heat wave the last week or so. Haven't been sleeping. Really knocked it out of us. So I'm really feeling this incline and this elevation as well. Oxygen gets a lot thinner, but we're gonna make it to the top. We've got about 300 meters of elevation with about a kilometer to go. So this is probably the toughest part yet. Not so much physically, but definitely mentally. We're both pretty cooked, but we're gonna get it done.
But I think this is cougar shit.
Alright, we got about 100 meters of up left to go. As you can see here behind me, we just kind of climbed up this, found some cougar poop. Oh, it is getting tough to keep on pushing, but Keith and I made the decision we're gonna get to the top no matter what. Give her a rinse. So we made it to the top. Where are we again? Mount Edith. 2,500 meters above sea level. Absolutely 100% smoked. Have a victory Sour Patch Kid. But that's by far the, mentally, there were so many times where I was like, pack it in.
How much coffee?
Feign an injury.
We're a beer or what?
I only discovered Sour Patch Kids in January 2020. Recommend. Oh, so we just made it back to the car, and we got bug bites galore. Oh yeah, that one's a fucking big one. We didn't film much on the way down because there were so many mosquitoes and we were pretty beat. Have a drink at the pub now, recuperate. But yeah, now get a snack, get some drinks, see how the rest of the day goes. That's a wrap on today. Just finished at the pub, got the fish and chips. And now, back to Calgary.